One of the easiest home remedy that has amazing health benefits is saltwater gargle. Almost all of us must have used saltwater gargle to treat sore throat in some time in our lives. It is that famous all over the world. Saltwater has amazing uses other than relieving sore throat. What is saltwater gargle? For those of you who don't know, saltwater gargle is the act of gargling our mouth with warm water in which salt is dissolved. Saltwater gargle for acid reflux. Saltwater gargle will help reduce certain symptoms of acid reflux like throat irritation, and it also helps get rid of the acidic taste in the mouth. Saltwater gargle for cough. Boil a cup of water with half teaspoon of crystal salt, and once the salt gets dissolved, add in handful of tulsi, also called as holy basil leaves. Let it boil till the color of the water changes. Now strain and use it to gargle. It will greatly help reduce cough. Saltwater gargle for toothache. If you are suffering from bacterial infection, saltwater gargle will help reduce the infection and the inflammation in the gums, thus reducing tooth pain to a great extent. Saltwater gargle for bronchitis. Gargling with salt water will help loosen up the phlegm and will greatly ease the discomfort that we face when we are suffering from bronchitis. Saltwater gargle for bad breath. Salt water neutralizes the acid in mouth and change environment that is challenging for the bacteria which causes bad breath. Saltwater gargle for oral thrush. Saltwater gargle helps as it alters the pH level in the mouth and change the environment for the yeast to thrive. Saltwater gargle for tonsillitis. Gargling with salt water helps reduce the infection, which in turn reduces the inflammation and pain effectively. Saltwater gargle for bleeding gums. Saltwater gargle reduces inflammation and arrests bleeding. Try to do it 2 to 3 times a day. Saltwater gargle for sore throat. Suffering from throat pain, usually they will be asked to do saltwater gargle first, as it helps reduces the infection and inflammation, which in turn helps reduce throat pain. Mild forms of throat infection can be treated with salt gargle itself.